Hi, and welcome to this episode of the PDP Profile Guidance Series. And this time we're going to be looking at how to use some of the tools that are available to you when completing your profile, specifically the ability to add evidence, add a comment, and add a plan. So let's visit our asset store once again and find our template. Our profile that we made, we took a copy from the template, click it, and go to edit. So I'm in my profile once again, and I can work my way down the menu to the management of self section. And the tools that we're going to be looking at are the ones that you'll find in this batch, this collective here, just to the side at each item that you work your way through. And these icons, you've got some additional guidance under Pebble guidance, which also provides you with some additional advice and information, links out to web pages about what a reminder if after you come back to this and revisit and you can't remember, as well as the video, you've got that section there. Let's have a look at adding some evidence. If I click on this rosette, the prompt comes up and it says that I can browse for evidence. So let's click on browse for evidence. And here it's suggesting that I might have it somewhere in my asset store already. And I could, perhaps it was a post about management of time or an image or something related. But in this case, I'm going to pick upload because it's not currently in the system. It's on my hard drive. And I'm going to put in a title example. You should also add a description and choose your file by clicking on browse here. And in this case, I'm going to use the timetable example document. It also advises me, for me to be able to upload, I have to make sure it's my own file and I'm not infringing copyright. And then this will no longer be grayed out and I can click save and upload. If I don't tick that, I can't upload it. So I have to make sure I follow that. And then once it's in the system, I can say save this asset, which I think it did automatically, and then close. Then, now when I look through, I can see example, this is the one that I just uploaded, and I can select it and click confirm. And now this has appeared underneath that button there, and I can say save. And at that moment, the rosette changed colour. So initially it was red, now it's yellow, and where it said 0 for numbers of evidence, there's now 1. There are other tools here with comments. If I need to communicate with someone external, so the justification and the other types of text that I enter are more self-reflective conversations with myself. But if I need to look for external support, then I can add comments here. And then I can click submit. And now the comments has also got a change to the icon to notify somebody else who I share this profile with that that I've made an entry here that I'm wanting some external additional support with. And the final tool, adding a plan, provides you with a template and a series of boxes, steps to fill, to work your way through, that you can use to describe a plan of action that you're going to take to help you improve in a skill. And in the same way, once you enter all of the information, you can click on the Save This Asset icon and then close it. So if at any point and you're working your way through this, as I said, you can always revisit the Pebble guidance and have a look at the online help, where there's more information there about how to go through and use it, and even a glossary in case you're confused by some of the terms that crop up. Thank you for listening.